The Seawolf is SoMAS's, Stony Brook University's, and SUNY's largest research vessel. In 2000, SoMAS, then the Marine Sciences Research Center, acquired for renovation and conversion the 80-foot fishing vessel Bagatell, which became available as part of NOAA's Fishing Capacity Reduction Initiative, FCRI. Commonly known as the buyout, the FCRI was put in place to reduce the size of the fishing fleet to aid in the recovery of the Northeast Groundfish stocks. The Bagatell was one of New Bedford's highliners and is a true seaboat, having proven herself through several winters on George's Bank. During the conversion, the decision was made to retain the vessel's fishing capabilities as well as quickly converting into a more typical research vessel with an open stern and large A-frame. Thus, the net reel and the railing around the stern are removable. A second A-frame was added on the port side for use when the net reel is in place and as an additional deployment point in its research vessel configuration. From its home port in Port Jefferson, New York, the Seawolf works up the Hudson River out to the edge of the continental shelf in the Mid-Atlantic Bight region. The map is provided from NOAA's Northeast Integrated Ecosystem Assessment website. The Seawolf works year-round. Here you can see it in the ice in Port Jeff Harbor. And it works in all different types of weather, providing researchers with hydrographic support, bottom sampling and mapping, plankton and nekton sampling, diving support, marine mammal and seabird observations and release, educational purposes, and training. And because of the vessel's setup and history, a lot of fisheries surveys and research. Clockwise from upper left, we have summer flounder, commonly known as fluke, Atlantic torpedo ray, sand tiger shark, an ocean pout, goosefish or monkfish, and a juvenile leatherback turtle. And even some anthropogenic items. Out on the water, you have your good days and some trying days. Peaceful and exciting times. And with good luck, only a few unhappy days. As some might say, any day on board the boat is better than all days in the office. We hope you'll consider Stony Brook University and join us here at SoMAS.